Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into a legendary name reborn for the modern age, the 2025 Jaguar E-Type. A car that pays homage to its iconic 1960s roots while boldly stepping into the future. Whether you're a fan of classic British engineering or modern electric innovation, you're in for something special. The E-Type is back, and Jaguar didn't hold back. From the moment you see it, there's no mistaking its heritage. The silhouette is pure nostalgia: long hood, short rear deck, and that unmistakable oval grille. But now, it's sleeker, more sculpted, and aggressive in all the right ways. LED headlights are subtly integrated, and the flush door handles disappear into the bodywork when not in use, keeping the lines smooth and aerodynamic. Underneath that retro-modern exterior lies a fully electric powertrain. Jaguar has officially confirmed that the 2025 E-Type is powered by a dual-motor setup producing over 600 horsepower. It rockets from 0 to 60 in under 3.5 seconds, and yet it's whisper quiet, like a predator stalking its prey. The instant torque delivers the kind of performance that even the original E-Type, as revolutionary as it was, could never have imagined. Inside the cabin, it's a perfect blend of vintage charm and modern tech. The dashboard features circular analog-inspired digital gauges with deep wood or brushed aluminum trims, depending on the trim level. A floating OLED touchscreen offers access to Jaguar's latest PIV Pro system, supporting over-the-air updates, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even integrated AI driving assistance. But Jaguar knows this car isn't just about speed or screens. It's about feeling. The seats are wrapped in sustainable, premium leather alternatives that are softer than traditional hides but twice as durable. Every switch and dial clicks with precision. You sit low, close to the road, like you're part of the machine, not just driving it. Jaguar has also introduced something they're calling dynamic legacy mode. Flip it on, and the car simulates the sound and driving behavior of the original E-Type's inline-6 or V12, complete with subtle vibrations and gear shift-like torque mapping. It's not just a gimmick, it's engineered to connect past and present in a way no other EV does. Range: you're looking at about 380 miles on a full charge thanks to its 100 kWh battery pack, with ultra-fast charging that can get you from 10 to 80% in just over 20 minutes. And thanks to a lightweight bonded aluminum chassis and adaptive suspension, it corners like a sports car should: flat, responsive, and full of feedback. Of course, a car like this doesn't come cheap. Expect pricing to start just north of $150,000, with higher trims and customization pushing it well beyond. But for those who appreciate both legacy and innovation, the 2025 E-Type might be more than just a car, it's a piece of automotive art. So, what do you think of Jaguar's revival of a legend? Is it worthy of the E-Type name? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the cars that move us past, present, and future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.